sits at her desk in the room right next to mine, takes my dictation and she types. She's no ordinary secretary, temporarily all alone. She leaves me breathless. Typewriter, her soft hands caress the keys. Typewriter, how I wish that it was me. Hitchhiker, through my daytime fantasy, it's only in my dreams I get to hold her. I say my name is Tom, but she calls me Mr. Jones. How about a drink tonight? Get to know. She switches off the intercom and puts her coat and gloves and makeup on, and leaves me helpless. Typewriter, she's still dancing across the keys. Typewriter, and there's no one here to see. Typewriter, there's only you and me to share the empty silence of my sorrow. Left with nothing but to wait until tomorrow. Typewriter, typewriter. In my mind she's loving me, but it's only in my dreams I get to hold her. Typewriter, she's still dancing across the keys. Typewriter, and there's no one here to see. Typewriter, no, there's only you and me, left with nothing but to wait until tomorrow. Hi, Mary. How's the new job?
Oh, fine. It's fine, but it's been a bit strange the last few days. This guy I'm working with, I constantly catch him staring at me. And now he's asked me out for a drink. It's sort of embarrassing. I haven't mentioned to him about you know who, or my situation.